Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Yeah, only a quick update, little bit of red today here on the chart, which is good to see because I wanted to see price a little lower in this orange support area. You will remember that originally this support area to show the fibs where price should ideally react in this B wave that we're dealing with. I did only start at the 50% retracement because it is just a more common fib level for a B wave. 50%, 61.8 and 78.6%, and the 38.2% fib level is one that is also relevant, but most likely in such a B wave we see the 50% retracement level at least. Now again, B waves can be very short, they can be very long. B waves are some of the most difficult waves to forecast in Elliott wave, according to Elliott wave. But let's see, I mean, this could turn into an ending diagonal in a C wave. I would still like to see a little bit of a lower C wave in wave B before we turn around and rally in a C wave of wave 3. If you're now completely confused, no problem. We talked about that wave count now for many weeks. It's just purely following the count now. We are looking here at the Natgas chart, 4-hour chart, a third wave, which is typically the most strongly trending wave in a cycle. The third wave down, probably finished here in February. Then we're now dealing with this fourth wave retracement, which is an ABC structure as per the current wave count, ABC, and we're now in this C wave before one more low should happen in a wave 5, 2 new lows below the April low, so roughly below $1.95. And it should head down once more. And within this C wave, we have a 5-wave move. We count this as an ending diagonal. In an ending diagonal, we're dealing with 5 waves in a C wave, but the sub waves of that C wave, they are 3-wave structures. That means the wave 1 consists of 3 waves. We call it an ABC structure. The wave 2 consists of 3 waves. The wave 3 consists of 3 waves, and as it seems, looking at the proportions, we only completed so far the A wave of the third wave. And we should now come down in a B wave of the third wave, and one more high in a C wave of the third wave should happen, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5, and only then we really can say that we completed the larger degree wave 4, which should lead to a wave 5 to the downside. We're talking about a relevant target area for this fourth wave as a whole, which ranges from $3.15 all the way up to $4.52. In between, we've got the 391 level. That is actually the ideal target for a fourth wave, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. But we will be able to specify that more precisely once we have a few more sub waves here in place. At the moment, price is following this trend line more or less, this trend channel. But at some point, it should break out of it, ideally. Ideally. Doesn't need to, then it would just hang in here and eventually ideally break down, but ideally it goes a little higher and follows this wave count more clearly. Now, at the moment we're in a situation where we expect this B wave to play out in this support area in orange. Important to maintain confidence in the current wave count. I want price to hold the $2.29 level. That's the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of this move to the upside between the 1st of June, 2nd of June, and the 27th of June high. So this is the retracement level. The move down looks corrective, so at the moment everything okay. A B wave is a corrective wave, so that's all going according to plan at the moment. But below 229, we have a break below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, and that would typically indicate that it is heading to the downside from here, and that this is not going to hold this setup. But the official make or break point is going to be here at $2.14. I mean, this is the real make or break point below which we can be certain. You normally never certain in markets, but when we have an official invalidation of a wave pattern, then we can be certain, and it would be invalidated below $2.14. So there's not much more to add, just continue to need patience. And it would take a break above the B wave high here at 284 to really indicate that this larger B wave is done and that we're rallying in a C wave. A small 5-wave move to the upside would be also suitable. But as I highlighted in yesterday's video when we rallied here and briefly broke above the trend line, it was a first sign that this B wave was in, but it was only a 3-wave pattern. So unless we would see 5 waves, we couldn't say that a low has been made. And it's always worth waiting for those 5 waves for confirmation, because any of those rallies here were 3-wave rallies. They can easily break down again. That's my update about Natgas. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.